Do you know that financial freedom isn't about working harder, but about working smarter? What if I told you you could earn $100 a day from home without showing your face, even if you've never tried before? You know what? In this video, I'll show you 5 proven side hustles you can start today with zero investment, and I'll share my favorite trick at the end that most people don't even know about. Welcome to WWA, where we show you simple, practical, beginner-friendly, proven ways to build financial freedom, to grow wealth, and stay wise. 5 side hustles you can start this week with $0. The first side hustle is freelance writing. If you enjoy writing blog posts, articles, or even social media captions, this is for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to sign up for free and start offering your service right away. No portfolio yet? Here's a trick. Pick a blog topic you like, write a short sample article, and upload it to Medium or LinkedIn. That instantly becomes your first writing samples to show clients. Even beginners can charge $20 to $50 per article once they get started. The second side hustle is social media management. Businesses, especially small ones, are desperate for someone to help them with Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. You don't need fancy tools. Start by creating a simple 30-day content calendar in Canva. Offer to run one local business account for free or very low cost. Within a month, you'll have proof to show other businesses, and you can begin charging $200 to $500 a month per client. A quick one. However you use your time determines your future. If you decide to try now or choose not to at all, you'll either be winning or left behind. Whichever you do, that time will still pass. Side hustle 3. Print on demand. This is where you create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Websites like Printify and Redbubble handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You don't spend a dime until someone orders. Here's the tip. Focus on target niche ideas. Instead of generic t-shirts, create designs for dog lovers, teachers, or fitness fans. A single viral design can bring you passive income for months. The fourth side hustle is becoming a virtual assistant, also called a VA. Entrepreneurs need help with scheduling, research, data entry, and email support. The great thing is you don't need any certification to start. If you're organized and reliable, you're already qualified. On Fiverr or Upwork, new VAs usually start at $5 to $10 an hour. But with experience, you can quickly move to $20 to $30 an hour. Imagine working just 10 hours a week for $25 an hour. That's $1,000 a month extra. The fifth side hustle is content repurposing with AI. Many businesses already create content but don't have time to repurpose it across platforms. That's where you come in. Here's how it works. Take a YouTube video, run the transcript through ChatGPT, and turn it into an Instagram caption, a LinkedIn post, and even a short TikTok script. Use Canva to quickly design graphics. Businesses will pay because it saves them time and multiplies their reach. Even charging $100 per client per month can grow fast once you have 5 to 10 clients. Let's quickly recap. Freelance writing, social media management, print on demand, virtual assistant, content repurposing with AI. Now here's a bonus tip. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one hustle that matches your skills or interests and stick with it for 30 days. Consistency is what turns a side hustle into steady income. And there you have it, 5 powerful side hustles you can start right now with zero upfront costs, plus a strategy for choosing the right one. Which one will you try first? Comment below, I'd love to know. Thank you for watching WWA. Remember, financial freedom is built one smart step at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so we can all make more, keep more, and live more together.